Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Globe TV. Here is the most amazing news for our viewers. Yes, new research suggests that the fish may be counting vertical bars on intruders to determine their threat level and to inform the social hierarchy governing their sea anemone colonies. We often think of fish as carefree swimmers in the ocean, reacting to the world around them without much thought. However, new research from the Okean Institute of Science and Technology suggests that our marine cousins may be more cognizant than we credit them for. Observing how a colony of clown anemonophis Amphiphora ocellaris, the species of the titular character in Finding Nemo, reacts to intruders in our sea anemone home. YST researchers have found that the fish recognize different anemonophis species based on the number of white bars on their bodies. Frequency and duration of aggressive behaviors in clown anemonophis was highest towards fish with three bars like themselves, explains Dr. Kina Hayashi from the Marine Evo Devo unit at OIST, first author on the paper published in the Journal of Experimental Biology, while they were lower with fish with one or two bars and lowest towards those without vertical bars, which suggests that they are able to count the number of bars in order to recognize the species of the intruder. Clown anemonophis is normally a gracious host allowing many different species to visit their sea anemone. However, should a member of their own species and which is not part of the colony enter their home, the largest fish of the colony, referred to as the alpha fish, will aggressively bite and chase out the intruder. To figure out how these fish determine the species of their visitors, Dr. Hayashi and colleagues conducted two sets of experiments with immature clown anemonefish raised in the lab. In the first set, they placed different species of anemonefish with different numbers of white birds in small cases inside a tank with a clown anemonefish colony and observed how open or how long the fish would aggressively steer and circle the case. In the second set, the researchers presented a colony of clown anemonefish with different plastic discs painted with true to life anemonefish fluorescence and measured the level of aggression towards this model. Clown anemonefish displayed the most aggressive behavior towards the intruders with three birds like themselves. Fish and plastic models with two birds were attacked slightly less frequently, while the ones with one or zero birds received the least aggressive response. Previous studies have shown that clown anemonefish react much stronger to model with vertical rather than horizontal bars, suggesting that amount of white color or the general presence of white bars is not the deciding factor. Combined with the observation that the plastic discs, which have no species defining traits other than the vertical bars, received the same response as the live fish, lead the researchers to suggest that the fish appear to be counting the number of vertical white bars to inform their level of aggression towards intruder. Behind the report, Globe TV, Delhi.